Good morning class. I welcome to you all our TMPS online classes. Today in this history we will start a new chapter, that is chapter 18, cleanness all around. आज हम पढ़ेंगे chapter 18, that is cleanness all around. What is the meaning of cleanliness? Cleanliness means साफ सफाई. To keep the area clean, to keep our body clean, to keep our surroundings clean, to keep our city clean, to keep our environment clean. हमें ये सबको क्लीन रखना है, ठीक है. दैट इज कॉल्ड अ क्लीननेस, मीन्स साफ सफाई, ठीक है. क्लीननेस बेसिकली मीन्स कीपिंग आवर बॉडी, माइंड एंड ऑल आवर सराउंडिंग्स क्लीन. आपने माइंड, इफ यू कीप आवर बॉडी क्लीन देन ओनली यू कैन हैव अ साउंड माइंड. साउंड माइंड मीन्स आपका माइंड पीस में होगा एंड यू हैव अ mind to keep the things. Sound minds means to keep the negative things out of your mind. आप अपने तभी negative things को mind से बाहर रखोगे, ठीक है. How can you clean your body? Wash, take a bath daily, at least twice a times a day, ठीक है. Wash your hairs also, ठीक है. Also cut your hair, cutting hairs properly. Also cutting your nails, and also when you take a toothbrush, means brush your teeth twice a day, ठीक है. Wash your clothes every day while wearing it. Wear the washing clean clothes that are already washed. ये सब होते हैं that you should keep your body clean. That is how you keep your body clean. When you keep your body clean and also do some exercise to keep your body fit रखने के लिए, हाँ, sound mind means sound mind means आप जहाँ have a peace of mind, ठीक है. Good thoughts, don't bring negative thoughts or bad thoughts in your mind. That doesn't make a body happy, or that doesn't make you happy, ठीक है. Do the things that you makes you happy, and then that is also a cleanness, ठीक है. All your surroundings means, what are the surroundings? Your homes, your neighbors, your area, your city. That is the surroundings, कि आपके आसपास जितनी भी चीजें आप उन्हें भी clean रखो, ठीक है. That is all about cleanness. Importance of cleanness is very important in our daily life, ठीक है. Nowadays a pandemic is going on, COVID-19 is going on in the city, in the country, the whole world. So doctor suggests to keep your hand clean, ठीक है. Wash your hands while you are doing anything, before doing anything or before touching anything. Wash your hands, and also wear a mask when you are going outside. Take your sanitizer with yourself, ठीक है. And also when you come inside your home, when from outside, so what the doctor suggests, just throw your clothes into the water and put them into the water for some time, and after that also wash your hands and take a bath if it is, and take a bath, it's necessary. And also wear a mask and sanitizer when you are going. That is the personal hygiene, ठीक है. Now importance of cleaning is basically on two types, that is personal hygiene and public hygiene. Personal hygiene means that you should keep your body clean, house clean, and your belongings, आपकी belongings, suppose you have a pencil box, to keep that also clean, ठीक है. Don't throw the pencil sharpening into the pencil box, throw into the dustbin, ठीक है. And also keep your house clean, ठीक है. Not throwing the waste here and there, also not throwing the wrappers of toffees, chocolates, chips, ठीक है. Don't throw it here and there in your house. Don't keep throw into the dustbin. That makes a personal hygiene. What is public hygiene? Public hygiene means you will take care of your public property, like your roads, parks, museum, monuments, ठीक है. And although your locality where you are living, ठीक है, your area, ठीक है, city, environment, that comes in a public hygiene. Buses, ठीक है, जो पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट होते हैं, that makes a public hygiene. हमें उन्हें भी क्लीन रखना है. तो when you keep yourself, to start with yourself, सबसे पहले हमें खुद से स्टार्ट करना है. Start with ourselves, ठीक है. First start with ourselves. First start to keep your body clean, then your house clean, then you come to your surroundings, and to encourage people not to split on the road, not to throw waste on the road, not to scribble on the walls of schools, monuments. These are the public hygiene. So you should start with your first, and then also encourage people, make them aware about the cleanness. That is called the importance of cleanness. Where should cleanness be observed? Cleanness कहाँ कहाँ observe होती है? Our government of India also start a mission of clean mission, ठीक है. In 2014 they start a mission that is Clean India, ठीक है. And he who started this movement, that is also called a Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, ठीक है. द एम इज टू कीप द एरिया क्लीन, टू सिटी क्लीन, एंड ऑल्सो इट्स एम टू कीप आवर environment clean. And its movement was started by the respected honorable prime minister, that is Narendra, who is the prime minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. Only that person started this movement all over the world and encouraged people to keep their area clean. ठीक है. कैसे? बाय डूइंग द मॉबिंग. मॉबिंग मतलब झाड़ू लगाना, अपने आप के आस पास की साफ सफाई को साफ सफाई रखना. ठीक है. इसमें many ministers, many our role models also took part. और बहुत सारे people ने also institutes, schools और colleges also took part in this Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and it encouraged people to keep the area, or see it also affect our environment. Keeping our area clean affect our environment. How? When you keep our area clean, so it affect like our environment also get clean, our earth also will get clean ultimately. So this is the biggest monument till now in India that was organized by the Prime Minister. Okay, now where should we observe cleanliness? Like schools. So at schools, in schools, what you have to do not scribble on the wall of the school or desk where you are sitting. That's the first important thing. Or do not throw your pencil sharpening or your chips packet of chips wrappers into the class. You always throw into the dustbin. Or do not throw water here and there when you are washing your hand in school. Do not do any bad things that makes your school dirty. Always start cleaning your school first. Roads, do not spitting on the roads. Spitting roads में थूकना नहीं चाहिए. Also do not throw the waste, means fruits peeler of fruits के छिलके जो हमें रोड्स में नहीं फेंकने चाहिए. और डू नॉट थ्रो आर वेस्ट ऑफ होम मटेरियल. आप हमारे घर का जो कूड़ा कचरा होता है उसको भी रोड्स में नहीं फेंकना चाहिए. ऑलवेज थ्रो इनटू द डस्टबिन, दैट इज कॉल्ड द रोड्स. यूज पब्लिक टॉयलेट्स व्हेन यू आर ट्रैवलिंग. ठीक है. व्हेन while we are traveling, we should use the public toilets instead of going in an open area. हमेशा हमें पब्लिक टॉयलेट यूज करना चाहिए instead of going in an open area while you are traveling. Using public transport system like buses, ठीक है, trains. Always we use the public transport system instead of our. ठीक है. अब जब हम अपनी कार से जाते हैं that हमारे एयर पॉल्यूट होता है. ठीक है. और ऑल्सो इससे क्या होगा, पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट से द एयर गेट लेस पॉल्यूटेड. द एयर भी क्या होगी, कम पॉल्यूट होगी, क्योंकि ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक्स नहीं होंगे, ट्रैफिक्स भी नहीं होंगे और ज़्यादा कार्स नहीं होंगे. तो हमेशा हमें पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट का यूज़ करना चाहिए. बाय यूजिंग पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट like buses, like bus, if you are traveling a bus, ठीक है, we will carry many things like the chips, packet of the chips. ठीक है. also toffees. So we eat all through between in our journey. हम सब अपनी जर्नी में खाते हैं. तो what we have to do, we just put the packet in our bag and throw them into the dustbin where we sit. जहाँ भी हम डस्टबिन देखें हम उन्हें वहाँ फेंकें, but not to throw into the buses. ठीक है. बसेस की सीट के नीचे या वहीं पे छोड़ के नहीं आना चाहिए. दैट इज अ बैड हैबिट. ठीक है. हिस्टोरिकल मॉन्यूमेंट, बिल्डिंग और घाट्स. देयर आर हिस्टोरिकल मॉन्यूमेंट, डू नॉट स्क्रिबल ऑन द हिस्टोरिकल मॉन्यूमेंट, डू नॉट हार्म देम. ठीक है. उनसे हार्म नहीं करना चाहिए, उसमें लिखना नहीं चाहिए. दैट मेक उससे क्या होगा, वो हमारे मॉन्यूमेंट्स को खराब कर सकते हैं. ऑल्सो वॉज रिटन देयर कि डू नॉट टच दिस थिंग्स. तो वहाँ पे वो जो उन्होंने प्रिकॉशंस दिए हैं, वी हैव टू टेक दैट मेजर ऑल्सो टू कीप आवर हिस्टोरिकल मॉन्यूमेंट्स एंड घाट्स कैसे कि जाके आप जो घर पे पूजा होती है, द फ्लावर्स. ठीक है. तो वो हमें वहाँ पे घाट्स में नहीं फेंकने चाहिए. ठीक है. वो हमें डस्टबिन में या फिर हमें कहीं ऐसी जगह फेंकनी चाहिए जहाँ से वो रिसाइकिल हो सके. तो दैट इज ऑल्सो क्लीनेस. Public buildings, parks, offices, movie theater, we also need to keep these things clean by maintaining some decorum of the environment. Also कि मूवी थिएटर गए, पॉपकॉर्न खाया, पॉपकॉर्न का पैकेट वहीं रख दिया, कोल्ड ड्रिंक की कैन वहीं रख दी. नो, थ्रो इनटू द डस्टबिन. ओके. पार्क्स गए, पार्क्स में खेले कूदे, खाया पिया और वहीं भी कूड़ा कचरा फेंक के चले आए. नो. ठीक है. आप खा रहे हो, आप खेल रहे हो, तो ऑलवेज कीप व्हाट यू आर ईटिंग, जस्ट थ्रो द वेस्ट इनटू द डस्टबिन. ठीक है. नहीं है वहाँ डस्टबिन, कीप द एक्स्ट्रा पॉलिथीन इन योर बैग, and just then after when you come back home, throw that polythene back into the dustbin. ठीक है. हॉस्पिटल्स को क्लीन रखिए, क्योंकि हॉस्पिटल्स क्या होता है, देयर आर मेनी पेशेंट्स. तो हॉस्पिटल्स में क्या होता है, इफ वी आर नॉट कीपिंग द हॉस्पिटल क्लीन, क्या होगा, जो पेशेंट्स हैं उनको इन्फेक्शन हो सकता है. ठीक है. दे माइट गेट इन्फेक्टेड. तो दीज आर अबाउट द क्लीननेस, कि हम क्लीननेस कैसे ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, कहाँ कहाँ क्लीननेस हमें दिखती है, साफ सफाई में करनी चाहिए. तो वी शुड कीप आवर क्लीन एरिया क्लीन, हाउस क्लीन, environment clean, and that makes our earth green. Or also we need to plant more and more trees. So till the chapter is completed here. Read the chapter at your home once again, and if you have a doubt, ask me in the comment section. Till then, take care. Thank you, children.